like a funnel starting. Or not.
No, not yet.
Yeah,
It's trying though.
Yeah. We good to the other side of the road?
We're gonna go north here in just a second.
Go.
There it goes! There goes the funnel! There she goes! Yep, there's a tornado.
Tornado on the ground. Oh yeah, look at the debris.
Come on, you don't want to drop a big one. There's still a debris cloud on the ground under there. You can see the dirt. You know what's coming. You know what's coming up here. Rotating around the front of it there. That is very cool. There's a funnel. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. She's ready. She's coming down. Look at that's gonna touch down. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Mama, you could do it.
Straighten it up. It's going to. It's going to. There it goes. There it goes.
Just like that.
Oh, the cars going down that road there. What? All the cars going down that road now.
You know it's going to. It's going. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, you may get a pair of them there. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking.
Oh, it's rubbing out again. Look.
Yeah. Well, the one on the left is still going.
Do it.
Get down there. Oh, it's getting stronger.
I wouldn't be surprised if they all merge into one.
Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Now you got the photogenic one.
Oil us some more. Gorgeous. Look at the debris.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness, is that pretty?
There it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
There we are.
Yay.
Yeah!
Those are graceful.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, once it gets planted.
Wow! Oh my goodness, that's pretty.
Look at it. On the ground. That's gorgeous. Wow. Gorgeous tornado in southern Kansas. Absolutely sensational. Yeah, keep it on that.
Yeah. Keep your eye on the right side, though.
Yes! Yeah! Wow!
What a sensational tornado. Look at the RFD kicking out to the left there, tossing up behind it. Wow.
Oh, that is just gorgeous.
Isn't it what? Wow. There's the tornado. It's a sidewinder. Look at it. Wow. Look at it.
Oh my God, look at that! my screen camera right on it? Holy crap. That's what I wanted to get, so you have better contrast. Here comes another one. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Here comes the next one.
That's number 4.
Is it 4 or 5?
Go, people. Come on, drive, go,
Why
go.
so slow? Come on.
You got to get us up there.
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Wow. I got my wide angle lens wide. My wide angle lens on.
Come on, people.
Well done for the day, Roger.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's going to be a long live one on that one.
Yeah, I bet it will too.
Come on, people. Why are you going so slow?
Got it? Zoom in.
not even close to being done. It's just getting going.
Well, I don't think we're going to need to drive down to Childress. Do you, Roger?
No. Oh man, look at that. Go people, come on.
So slow.
Why are you poking along?
So slow.
Is this the road we're turning now?
No, we're not
No,
turning
no
anyway.
way.
I want to get us a better angle on it.
Okay.
Let these people get out of the way. Now we can move. Oh my goodness, look at that.
It's a big stout beast.
Woo.
Oh my God, there's another tornado!
Oh, there's two again! There's another one out to the right!
Two of them. Oh my goodness.
Sorry, there's a third one!
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness! Oh God, I can't even get a shot.
Oh my gosh.
I can't even get a shot. Damn it!
Oh, look at that.
Oh, damn it!
Are you okay?
Is anyone? Oh, no.
Oh.
Damn it! Can I steal someone's photos when we're done with this?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Look at that. The cone and an elephant
That's going to
trunk.
be a big one. That one. Oh, that's
Yeah,
going
that
to be
one's
huge.
gonna
That one on the right.
It is.
We got quadruplets.
Oh, that's going to be a big violent one. Look at the one. That's violent. That one on the right.
It's gonna be.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Hang tight. Holy crap! Hold on.
Oh my god.
Hang on.
Hang on. People are being stupid.
They are real stupid.
Oh my god.
Look at the motion. Doppler on wheels is going nuts up here.
Oh, you know they are. Look at that.
Got a great.
Oh man, oh
Oh,
man.
there's twins. There's a second one. There's another one on the There's triplets. Holy crap!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at the white cone over there.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at
Wow.
the triplets together. They're dancing there. Wow, it's a satellite going around
Oh my
it.
god.
Oh my
Justin, could you move your cap out of
On the
there?
ground.
This is reflecting those colors right in there.
On the ground right now.
We are gonna get a little, we're gonna move up here another half a mile, and then we're gonna stop and get out.
Yeah.
Gotta enjoy these.
Oh my goodness. Oh God, he's gonna pull out. Hold on.
Yep, they're gonna be stupid here. People are gonna be dumb.
I've got a good place to pull over just here if you want me to.
What's that?
I've got a place I can pull over just here.
Do it right here, right here, right here, right here.
Triplets.
Oh, we got the power lines anyway. Go past the power lines. We're gonna get past these power lines and stop. My God, what a sight!
Oh my
Oh,
god.
here we go. This will be a bit better.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that. Look at the big cone.
No, don't rope out, babe.
Oh, that won't be.
Here we go, here we go. We're gonna get past these power lines and we're gonna stop.
And past the hill.
Past the power lines and stop. Okay, right up here. Oh my goodness, look at that.
One on the right,
Just
beginning to
here?
rope
Okay,
out.
stop. Pull off on the right. That's fine. There's gonna be more there. That's not even close to the end of it.
Oh my god. Ready?
Be very careful.
Point me a little bit that way, would you?
Wait.
Okay, great, awesome. Thank
Oh my
you.
God, there's two down again. Holy crap, can you believe this?
No kidding. Wow. Holy smokes.
Huge stovepipe to the left. Tornadoes, twins to the right, just lifted briefly. There's going to be a wedge to the right. Can I please, close your door? Can I please get you to close your door if that's okay? Two tornadoes on the ground. On the ground. Both of them again on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh God, get out of there. Right.
There it goes. It's on the ground.
Yes, it is.
It's on the ground.
Oh my God. Wow, what a tornado machine. Holy smokes.
It's like Mommy said it would be.
I don't even know how many that is now.
Oh my God, you know what's right up here, 10 miles up the road here? Dodge City.
Oh no.
Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
God, that's gonna be a big, wow, that's big.
That may be the biggest one of all.
Yeah.
F3. That's an F3.
Holy
No,
crap.
you don't know that.
That's,
No, I said
Nobody
I'm
knows
voting.
that.
oh my God. Look at that.
That's a plant and a big one though.
Holy crap.
Go people, go, 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 go.
It's a bloody truck.
This one's gonna come back. It's coming back.
Everybody deep breath.
Oh my God. Oh, it's up
It'll be
again.
back down again.
that'll
Don't worry
be-
about that.
That's a big one, that one.
This one's coming back down.
It will.
Holy crap.
It'll definitely come back down. It's just starting.
This is insanity.
Huh?
This is insanity.
Oh my God.
Kansas insanity.
Nobody will piss off Karen's gonna be in me.
Has it done anything up there?
Oh, it's on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'll be on,
Dirt
that's
swirl.
on the ground,
Yeah.
alright. That's
Wow.
a beast. That's going to be a big one, that one. Holy crap. Is this guy hanging out the roof?
Oh yeah, look at there's the old funnel right there next to it, to the left.
It's still spinning up debris.
Yeah.
It's recondensing.
What a day.
Oh,
The other one's coming down as a rope a little bit.
yeah. You see
Yeah.
it?
Get that all on the street.
I'm trying to.
Oh my God.
This thing is doing stuff. Yeah, there's already dirt blowing out of the ground. That's not a tornado. Rear flag. Dash cams still on that? There it goes.
Hey, Roger, I'm just seconds, but they were tornadoes. Every time one touches the wall, that one's getting big.
Big tornado in there now. God, I hope everybody's in their basements.
I certainly hope so.
They're in big trouble if they're not. Oh my God, look at that thing. Oh goodness. Oh my God.
This thing just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
My goodness.
That looks like that might be north. It's north a little bit.
Well, 54 runs north and westward right to Garden City, where we're going tonight.
Is that where you're going? Garden City?
Yeah.
Do they have a steakhouse? I feel like a steak after this. Maybe that and a cigarette. Just panning out.
Holy crap, watch out. Oh my God, look how broad that in front of us.
Comes another one.
Everybody should be watching this. There's another tornadic supercell right to the southwest coming right at us.
Rain stirring around it.
It is, yeah. That could get really big here. Hey Justin, is it still focused in there? Thank you.
There you go, Ralph.
Is it tight or wide?
Look at this triangle.
Tight? No, bring it in real tight if you could, okay? Thank you.
There you go, Ralph. Could be there too.
That is not the separate tornado. That is the same tornado. hail probably here real soon. There's that storm coming right here. It doesn't have any lowering right now. Yeah. Is it off the ground now? Yeah, it's off the ground.
Gee whiz. There he comes again. Yeah.
There it goes.
Far out. How many tornadoes can one storm do?
Wow.
3 sets of twins, a set of triplets, and that one.
The last one was on the ground for about 20, 25 minutes again as well.
Is that your battery? Second battery? You have Canon?
Holy shit.
Is this the car here?
Right. We're gonna have to go across here, and then we hit the road after. We'll hit the road, and it'll tee.
Should be fully
Not here, but on up the hill.
It'll tee and then we gotta go.
Wow, about a dozen tornadoes already.
a dozen.
Dirty dozen.
We are all so slow.
Yeah!
Yay!
Roger, the man.
Wow, we nailed it.
Chicka chicka.
They can have their one little cute tornado
Yeah.
once a year, you know.
This is going to be the motherfucker of them all, though.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at this.
It could
If that's
be.
on
What
the
was your
ground,
count
it's going to be
yesterday
doing
at
some
12?
serious damage.
Oh, this could be a monster
Yeah,
tour.
yeah.
Monster tour.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure.
Now why is my thing?
We had
keep fighting
6
thing like
prior to
that?
this.
6 prior.
6 prior to this.
18?
Holy crap, it's a big one.
It's on the ground. It's not as big as you think it is, but it's on the ground.
Okay, straight through?
I have no idea where this road goes. But if it goes straight through, yeah, let's do it. Let's go straight through.
That's the 283 there. So.
Keep going straight. This looks paved. Unless it ends up here, but I don't think it does.
Looks like it goes to another T up there somewhere.
This is the coolest thing that's ever happened to me, Roger.
What's that?
So this is the coolest thing that's ever happened to me.
It doesn't get much better than this, I'll tell you
No, it
that.
doesn't.
Have you seen
That's
this many sisters on
just
the same storm?
Phenomenal, really is.
Hey, Roger, have you seen this many sister tornadoes on the same storm?
Oh yeah.
Okay. What about triplets? Does that happen often?
I've seen as many as 5 on the ground at once.
You've seen 5 at once?
Was that the Dupree day?
That was Dupree.
Yeah.
Do me a favor for just a second.
That'd be really funny.
That's.
Oh, there's another one.
Jesus
13.
Christ.
Look at that. Look at that. There's another tornado on the ground.
Oh my god.
Wow. Where does this road go?
Just
I
getting
mean,
funny. It's like
if this thing would just keep going straight north, man, it'd be awesome. Otherwise, we've got to get up here and we'll have to turn right and go about 4 or 5
Oh, look
miles.
at it.
Look at that.
Oh. It's a storm that just keeps giving. This guy turning here. He was signaling like he's going to turn.
This is the prom date of storms.
Oh,
It just keeps giving and giving and giving.
That's one way to put it.
that was a good one, Al. I just got
Thank you. Thank you.
Super Bowl of storms.
This guy doing. What are you doing, champion? Come on.
There's a lot more liquor.
Holy crap. She's going to go again here.
It is gonna go. There it goes. Another tornado. Oh yeah.
Oh.
You may have twins, a
Might have
cone
twins.
and
We're
an
gonna have
elephant trunk.
twins.
Wow.
That's on the ground too. They're both on the ground.
Oh, they are. Look at that.
This is insanity.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
Justin, we love you. So sorry.
Wow.
Sorry you missed it.
Wow.
Things I do for you guys.
Wow, I'll buy you a steak.
That's why I'm gonna steal all your photos.
I'll buy you a steak.
Oh, look at that.
Everyone else will buy your alcohol. Get the cheapest.
Wow.
This road keeps going north, so
If it keeps going north paved, let's do it. But I don't think it probably turns into dirt.
Okay,
No, you
4
don't want-
sets of
no,
twins
no.
and a set of triplets.
Is that paved?
it looks like it.
Oh my God, that's awesome. Well, you know
is.
what? We can stay on this road then about another. Of course, we get up here and it'll probably turn to dirt. That's the only bad.
No, but I mean,
End
like,
it on a
when
high
you
note.
come back, we're gonna be like, oh
Soft
God. Gotta say
shoulder.
like 20, 30.
Now, let's make sure. Let's make sure.
Yeah, 2 on the.
Oh my God, look at that.
It's
There it
bitumen.
goes again.
That is bitumen, isn't it? Yeah.
That is crazy, man. Crazy.
Speed limit 55, yeah. It's bitumen.
Yeah.
Holy Jesus.
Well, that one's off. There'll be more.
It's spinning like crazy in there.
It is really spinning.
Oh, oh.
Oh, here comes another one.
I don't even know.
Here comes another one. Of course, that's the same tornado. I would not count that as another one.
Would you count one of them though?
I would count 2 of them there, actually.
I meant new ones. Yeah.
See how far this road goes here. If it turns into dirt, we're in trouble.
Wow, what was that?
We'll have to turn back all the way around. I'm sure we can go 2 more miles, and then we have no choice but to turn east for about 5 miles.
Just about, yeah. That big
Just in case this is dirt.
Still pavement.
Still pavement.
Awesome.
Goodness me. So there's going to be another one pop down to the left
There
there.
are 1,000 chasers on this storm, and somehow we're the only ones on this road.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, I hope it doesn't come to an end up here and turn to dirt. If it does, we got to backtrack all the way back.
And we were commenting about that. What a move this was. Good job.
Oh, another one on the ground.
Shut up.
Yep, yep, another one.
Oh my god. How many today? That's what I just needed.
Wait, the day's not over yet.
Yeah,
No, I
that's definitely
know.
not over. You got a big cone trying to form there on the right.
And a rope.
Look at that. Well, if it ends up here in a mile, then
This is not a bad spot.
we're in trouble because we have no road. Oh, look at that.
Going down. There it is.
Here it comes again.
Oh my god. Oh, and it's fully down. Fully
It is fully down now.
Holy.
Card full. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
That's still bitumen.
Whoa.
Still bitumen all the way down. It joins up to another roadie. Oh, wow. Holy crapola.
Unbelievable, my card.
Jesus. There, it's coming all the way down now. Oh yeah, there it is, all the way down.
That's big.
Yeah, we can't go any further down.
Oh, it's paved. Awesome.
It's paved the whole way.
Yeah, let's just pull off to the side here and watch this for a minute since we got a great view.
Oh my god.
I won't go off the shoulder here, it's pretty soft.
Go right past the sign though, so it's not our shot.
Yeah, it's muddy.
Now, you know what? Let's go over. Let's head over to 283, and we can stick with the storm. It's not done, that's for sure.